Alright, packing your grease. Your bearing. Get some more in there.
Yeah, just make sure. Just do it twice to make sure it's in there. Alright.
Put a little more on that thing too, what the hell?
Yep.
Did you put some in the cup yet?
Nope.
A good layer of it in there. I think I'm going to skip putting the 20 pounds inside the neck though.
You think?
I would. Put a good layer up in there and a layer on the bearing and call her done. That's all you need. Don't need to pack that thing solid in there. It's stupid.
Doesn't do anything anyway.
I already proved that. Top bearing was dry, bottom one was full of liquid. And the stem was full.
It was strange. The bottom bearing felt worse than the top, which was the one living in the grease.
Yeah, well, it had rust in it, so it obviously didn't have grease for a while in it. We packed it full of grease last year. I don't think it had squat in there before that. It was pretty dry. I relubed the bearing on there, the tree also.
It's a messy process.
Yep. It's all right. Better be messy than be dry.
Into that.
Quite that much on there, but
It'll be okay.
it's just gonna squish everywhere and make a mess, but that's all right. All right, we gotta get the grease in that. Looks good to me. Pack her up in there. You get dirty?
My hands quick.
I had a rag. I had a rag until we had it all started
I
cleaner.
wet grease on her there.
Yeah. There's one over here. I know I got used up over here. Clean that mess up. Hey, it finally shut off. Fan shut off on it finally.
Yeah.
I think it ran for 20 minutes without the fan.
Alright.
Power down. Okay, I need these two parts here. This goes up here. I'm gonna go up the top side here. Whoa.
Let me get this grease out of your way.
I'm good.
Alright, here we come.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there's the bearing.
We put that race in there backwards.
Too late now.
Just run it!
She's going together.
You want any more grease in there on top of that?
No. We're lubed up.
Maroonied.
Sharpen my hand. Got it.
That is definitely sharp.
Yeah. Thread's got nicked a couple times, looks like. Didn't come off that hard. Getting easier now. There it goes. Just have to get through the bad part. I don't know why they always get hard at the very top for some reason. I'm not sure why. Probably where everybody hits on it with a hammer or drops it. This is going to be the hard part. How do you adjust the torque? Because you have to totally assemble it before you know what the torque is.
Yep. I put the rest of the junk on it.
Okay, go throw your gloves away or clean them, whatever you want to do. Okay, I need a pair of channel locks.
Slide back into the hoodie.
So we're going to go ahead and tighten this up with channel lock. There's torque on here. Right now we got no torque on this thing. It's pretty loose.
Loosey-goosey.
There you go. It's actually filming I'm working on here. We could use one fork tube with a nut on it. So grab me one fork tube with a top nut. Nothing got dragged there. Yeah, just put a nut in it, that's all we need. Don't have to go all the way, just use the alignment tool. Now when you tighten this nut down, it's going to push this nut down and make it tighter. Because you have a clearance in the thread. So whatever you make this right now, it's going to get tighter. A lot of drag there, huh? Definitely got drag now. I like to over tighten them to get all the grease and crap out of the way. Bring it back just a little bit. So that feels good there. These are all new parts too. They're going to go.
Well, at least it's easy to get back into it to adjust it.
Yeah, sure.
All you gotta do, it's just a day job to get it all back out.
That's right. That's what it takes. So we definitely have some drag on it.
I definitely want to run to the tighter side.
You feel the drag?
Yeah.
And when you put the torque top nut on it, probably about there.
What do they say? It's supposed to fall and then return back somewhat, something like that.
I go until there's a little bit of drag, and then right here will fall. Right now we got a lot of drag on it, but there's no weight on there, so put a tooth
Right.
on there and add
Right.
weight. So, this is going to break in after you ride it for a short time. Right now it's tight, but it'll break in. So if you want to leave it on the tight side, it's definitely tight right now. It's going to get tighter when you tighten this nut down. It's just a matter of how much drag you want to put in this thing. 'Cause it'll be kind of notchy on the handlebar too. Halfway between, I just have it. I think it'd be a good starting point for now. We can always play this here a little bit later for fully assembled. Okay, just go ahead and put the fork tube up in there for alignment purposes. It's also going to kind of hold it together a little bit. Okay. You got any underneath in the way? Nope. Right there. Okay. Hold that handlebar that way. Yep. Lock down. Why is that not working correctly? We put this tree on backwards.
Yes, we did.
This is a road turd, but everything's done upside
It
down.
does. It does. It is. It's backwards. Your mind tells you, to go the opposite way for sure. Everything's like backwards.
It won't turn. We can't flip it 180 like on a bicycle. We're just mocking it up to see if you're paying attention.
Everybody paying attention out there? Nobody's there. They get tired of watching FXR wiring videos. They're like, we're not here anymore.
How many of you saw that before we did? We used to work on FXRs, not road turds.
It is weird. It feels like you're putting a tree on backwards.
You are putting it on backwards.
Strange.
100% are doing it backwards. That's how they go. That was made for those special Z-shaped fork tubes. Had a lot of rake in them too. Said 3-degree rake trees, there's 45-degree rake trees. Stay down. Flip it.
Like this.
You
The tree
think,
goes backwards. It just it feels so weird.
you think the chrome would get in the front where you could see it. Push it up. Yeah.
It's just like ass backwards.
It is ass backwards. How they do it.
You think this little shield is there for?
Keeps the air from blowing up under the trash. Blows up through here and all over you. No, it's all there for a reason.
Obviously, yeah. So it's definitely in the design.
It's like they got all the dampers and baffles all over the bearings, so
Yeah.
it all controls the airflow. They didn't want the panties to be blowing off the top
Trash in the way.
when they're riding down the road. That's why they did that. So. All right, I'm gonna tighten this down again. Put a lot of extra torque on it. Makes the frame a lot better now. A lot of torque on them. Off just a little bit, not much. About the same we had before, right? Spin it. Feel it?
Yeah.
And it's gonna get tighter when next time we tighten it up, you know. What's your arm? Oh, look. Oh, look at that. The trees line up now.
Well, what do you know?
One sweet spot in there. Okay. Amazing how that all works like that.
You just gotta put the trees
Shouldn't
on
that
backwards.
supposed to be over the top, I'm guessing? Or it came off of it, right?
Show enough.
It's kind of a wrench to tighten this one. Give me a top nut there also to hold that. Not on the floor. They're in the big box.
Yeah, we gotta be one of our boxes.
Okay. Pliers down there, crescent wrench is down there. Right on top. Number 12 crescent wrench.
Modified.
Modified. Yes. Turn it the other way helps.
There we go.
That's good. Okay. How's it feel? A little more maybe?
It's gonna have more weight on it too. This is just swing with one.
Yeah, it feels a little free, doesn't it?
Here, you put your hands on it. See what you think.
Oh, it's your bike. You're riding it. There's not much drag on it. I know there is, but you got these 50-pound handlebars wobbling around back here. So. fold by itself pretty easy. I'd say a little more drag. Just give it
Just a touch more,
just
right?
a little bit more to even it up. Oh, just put your tool up in there and tighten it up a little bit for me.
What?
Put your tool in there and just tighten it up a little bit for me.
Tool.
That's it. You gotta tighten the internet up. Don't you have a tool for doing that?
Oh yeah, right.
You got a Harley by that?
So it's like a Z.
Z3.15 tool?
It is a strange design.
Oh yeah.
Like like it's a strange design. It's recessed up in there. Like there is no adjustment once it's
I
on
don't know
there.
how you're supposed to adjust it. Take the whole bike apart to get to it. Okay, take that out and hold that on there right there. I'm gonna lift this up.
So what?
Take this nut off. Hold it and pull this up. There we go. You're fine. Okay. So a little bit right here. Just gonna go up here and go about that more. That's pretty good. I increased it by quite a bit. You want to tighten up with it, so tight. Okay. 3, 4, nut. Quite a bit tighter. Doesn't go all the way in, it's just mop up. Now you want to tighten this stuff up until you got both of these in there because the tree still flux when you tighten this bolt now.
Okay.
This is not going to be the final torque. Unless you want to put the other tree in there and do it for real.
Might give us a better feel. It's super easy.
Doesn't matter. It's going to be tight anyway. Purposely made it tight. It's pretty tight. A little different now, huh? They're good.
I think it's good.
Yep. It's got a lot of preload in it. A lot of preload.
Yeah.
It's probably about this much of a turn of free preload on that thing. Good eighth of a turn. It's got some load on it. I'm happy with that.
I'm happy with it too. A little tighter than what
Yeah.
they suggest. I wanted a little tighter than what
We'll
they
leave this in there
wanted.
for tonight in case the tree wants to move around.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll go ahead and pull the leg out and we gotta put the legs together and slide them up in there for real. And then we get to put the front end back together, the bearing and all that crap. What fun. Here's your pliers. All right, there you go. We got so much done today. We got a 1 fork tube half in, trees on frame, and motor mount.
Everything's clean now.
That's all we did.
Cleaning takes a
About
while.
a 12-hour day. Yeah, pretty good.
Yes, we did.
We might not be all that good, but we are slow. So there you go. We're good. Oh, we did play around for a couple minutes on here too, but yeah, it's a different videos. All right, that's it for tonight on this one.